Alrighty, another how-to video. Hit the like and subscribe button if the video does help you out. This is my 2013 F150. Got it about a year and a half ago, and the passenger side wiper blade is screwed up. So I'll show you. You see it right there. So I'm going to go ahead and replace both of them. Got my magical box delivered just now. Pull them off, put the new ones on, and maybe this will help somebody out. There's supposed to be some pin. Yeah, I can feel it right there. You can see it. It's right there. My thumb's clicking it. So all you do is hold it back. You're supposed to pull it on. Oh, that came off super easy. Let's see if the other one comes off that easy. Oh, you push it in. There we go. Cake. A little pressure there. Let's get this thing opened up. There's my dog barking. He's in trouble today. Trico. Link for these will be in the description. Oh, there. Well, hopefully I don't need those pieces. Probably do. What the heck is all this stuff? Oh, let's try to put them on. I think it was like this. Oh my lord, that was easy. Looks like the same blades, and a little bit different. There's one. Moving on over to this one. I'm gonna try to do this without getting back up on my stool. There you go. Cake. 4 minutes. Hit the like and subscribe button if the video. Hit the like and subscribe button if this helped you. The blades will be linked in the description. Have a nice day.